What's up, guys? It's Beast Mode here, and today we just got a remote control boat, and so we're just testing it around on our pool, driving around on our pool a little. Hold on, let's see if my brother can get through these two donuts, or just stay to the side.
I'm trying to move.
Oh, they're coming in. Try and push one, Con. It's not gonna make it. Oh, hit the river rat. Oh, it pushed you away. Are you pulling it? It's stuck on the top.
You're up.
Could like pull it and everything. Wait, Connor, drive it towards me. Okay, hold on.
Ah, shit.
Hit the other one. Oh my god. Remote control inner tube. That's awesome. Come over here. Get away from the other one. Okay, come over here. This is what we could get our drinks into. Or this could that'd be funny. Come over here. You can't? And douche. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and leave a like. And don't forget to always be a beast.